Common errors in the use of adjectives. Have you ever struggled with adjective mistakes? Share your experiences with me in the comments below. And if you want to learn more tips on using adjectives effectively, then stay with me to learn how to fix them. Let's get started. It is best house. Incorrect. Correct adjective will be it is the best house. My father gave me a holder. Incorrect. Correct adjective will be my father gave me a pen holder. He is junior than you. Incorrect. Correct adjective will be he is junior to you. He is the tallest boy of the two. Incorrect. Correct adjective is he is the taller boy of the two. He is my older brother. Incorrect. Correct adjective is he is my elder brother. It is much fine today. Incorrect. Correct adjective is it is very fine today. Each of us have a book. Incorrect. Correct adjective is each of us has a book. Next, I worked whole the night. Incorrect. Correct adjective is I worked the whole night. My family members are not at home. Incorrect. Correct adjective is the members of my family are not at home. I have no any money to give you. Incorrect. Correct adjective is I have no money to give you. What is the last news? Incorrect. Correct adjective is what is the latest news? He has many wealth. Incorrect. Correct adjective is he has much wealth. My all books were on the table. Incorrect. Correct adjective is all my books were on the table. Next, I shall not able to do this sum. Incorrect. Correct adjective is I shall not be able to do this sum. He is sick of fever. Incorrect. Correct adjective is he is ill of fever. Open your book at 7 page. Incorrect adjective. Correct will be open your book at page 7. I read in the class ninth. Incorrect. Correct adjective is I read in the ninth class. Next, the postman gets a less salary. Incorrect. Correct adjective is the postman gets a small salary. It is much fine today. Correct adjective is it is very fine today. He held the book in the both hands. Correct adjective is he held the book in both his hands. The horse is lambing. Correct adjective is the horse is lame. Much efforts bring their reward. Correct adjective is much effort brings its reward. From the three, he is more clever. Incorrect. Correct adjective is he is the cleverest of the three. There is a best teacher in that class. Correct adjective is there is a very good teacher in that class. Your lovely friend. Correct adjective is your loving friend. He is some weak in English. Correct adjective is He is somewhat weak in English. She is more intelligent than the whole of the class. Incorrect. Correct adjective is she is more intelligent than the rest of the class. He is hopeless to pass. Correct adjective is he is not hope of passing.